Welcome guys, welcome to Access Granted. Yeah, I'm back again, and today we are going to talk about DNA replication. What is DNA replication? DNA replication is a process whereby DNA makes an identical copy itself during interphase to increase the number of chromosomes so that they can be shared between the resulting cells from cell division. We'll be talking a lot about cell division in meiosis when we talk about meiosis. But just know that DNA replication is a process whereby DNA makes an identical copy of itself during interphase. Because we are talking about in life sciences grade 12, we'll be focusing on meiosis, not mitosis. You'll have to clarify which interphase, because we have interphase 1 and interphase 2. So when they ask you that when does DNA replication occurs, you will say that it occurs during interphase 1. Let me write it down. DNA replication is a process whereby DNA makes an identical copy of itself during interphase so in meiosis it occurs during interphase 1. Guys, DNA replication is a process. The process of DNA replication. The process of DNA replication, DNA double helix unwinds. Weak hydrogen bonds breaks by polymerase enzyme. Two DNA strands separate. Each original strand acts as a template to form a new strand by attaching two free-floating DNA nucleotides inside the neucleoplasm. So, DNA double helix unwinds two weak hydrogen bonds, breaks by polymerase. Polymerase enzyme. Polymerase enzyme to DNA strands separate two DNA strands separate, and each original strand act as a template each original strand acts as a template. Each original strand acts as a template by attaching to the free DNA nucleotides floating inside the neucleoplasm. By attaching to free DNA nucleotides inside the neucleoplasm. To form a complementary strand whereby adenine is attached to thymine, cytosine is attached to guanine. Form a complementary strand whereby adenine is attached to thymine and cytosine is attached to guanine. I've already explained about nucleotides in my first video. If you haven't watched my video, please go back to my first video. Go back and watch it so you can understand what I am talking about or what I'm trying to explain. Now, each DNA molecule will consist of one original strand and one new strand. Each DNA molecule consists of one original strand and one new strand. Now, the result, or what we call the end product of this process, is called DNA replication. The result or the end product is called DNA replication. And remember, guys, this process is controlled by enzymes. This process is controlled by enzymes. That is the end of the DNA replication. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be teaching about the process of protein synthesis in our next video. So, peace.